Broyhill's Melody Sectional makes your living room your living room. With movable pieces, you can rearrange at a moment's notice to put together the room you need right now. Curved backs add sculptural drama, and deep, padded seating gives you the comfort you've been dreaming of. Add as many armless chairs as you like to make your sectional just the size you need. And the ottoman is adaptable as additional seating with the enormous bonus of hidden storage. Choose one of Broyhill's hundreds of fabrics and textures to customize your perfect melody. For a den, a playroom, or a room that will really be lived in, choose a performance fabric for easy cleaning and high traffic wear. The storage ottoman is sure to be handy for quick cleanup. To create your perfect living room, consider the Melody from Broyhill, where confidence comes from within.